Hello everybody and welcome to your first lesson in Algebra 2. And today we're going to do D1, it's domain and range. Since you're in Algebra 2, you have heard of domain and range. You may not have liked it whenever you were introduced to it, but you have heard of it. And so just as a refresher, domain is whatever your x is, and x's go left to right. The range is whatever your y is, and y's go up and down. Okay, so domain is x, range is y. Whenever I was learning this, we were not able to use our notes whenever taking tests. You know, we actually had to remember some things. And so D comes in the alphabet before R, and X comes in the alphabet before Y. So that's my little trick in my mind to remember which one is X and which one is Y. Domain is X, range is Y. X goes left and right. Y goes up and down. Okay, so that being said, let's go to the first. Let me try to erase this. Erase. Okay, here we are. So the first problem, it says, what is the domain of the function? There's a couple of ways that you can go about doing this kind of question, but I'm going to show you probably the easiest way. You may not think it's the easiest way. Go, try to figure something else out then. So this dot is at -4, -2. This dot is at -3, -5. This one is at -1, +2. And this one is at +3, +3. Now, how did we do that? We went to the left, and then we went down. If we went to the left, that's our x. We would go down, that's our y. X, y, x, y, x, y. So if we are looking for domain, we are looking for the x's, and our x's are these numbers. Now, when you are just listing them, they do not have to be in order. They can be in any kind of jumbled order, and the computer's going to take it. But if you have repeating numbers, you do not have to put them twice. In this case, we don't have any repeating numbers, so I'm putting everything that I see. Okay, so, and notice that I didn't put them in order, but I did put everything down that I had circled. Range. Well, this is a little bit easier because they already have it listed for us. And remember, the range is the y's. And if you have a point already listed, your y is the second number. And so you could do 5, 1, -2, +2 if you just wanted to go straight down, or if you're a little bit neater, you could put them in order, -2, 1, 2, and 5. You can put them in any order as long as they are all listed. Again, this is the same kind of question. It says, what's the range? And the range, as we just know, is the second numbers. But in this case, we have 3 zeros. Do not hit them 3 times, okay? Just go ahead, and if you see that it repeats, don't put it twice. But a 17 and a -17 aren't the same number, so we are going to put both of those down. What is the range? 16 and 0. or 0 and 16. Domain, all of these x's right here, and range, which would be the second numbers. So 9, 11, 2, 4, 1, 3, 7, 6, negative 18, 1, 6, negative 6. Ah, I've already put, okay, back up. Right? Because I already put 6, 7, 6, negative 18, 1. I already have 6, and then negative 6. There we go. What are the domain and range of the function? So in this case, you actually have to figure out where the points are and then separate them into x's and y's. This is at negative 5, 3. This is at negative 2, 1, 0, negative 3, 2, negative 4, 1, negative 5. I'm going to write those out better so I can see them. I'll check myself real quick. Negative 5, 3, negative 2, 1, 0, negative. See? Okay. So 0. I don't know where that 3 came from. In my videos, this is going to happen quite a bit, and I don't know how to stop it, so you're just going to have to bear with me and wait for me to get back to where I was to begin with. Okay, so 0, negative 1. 2, negative 4, 1, negative 5. Just because I'm a teacher does not mean that I don't ever mess up. I mess up quite a bit. So if you ever catch something that I do not fix myself, let me know and we'll talk about it, and I might be able to give you some bonus points for it. Domain is the first numbers. So negative 5, negative 2, 0, 2, and 1. The range are the second numbers. 3, 1, negative 4, and negative 5. None of those repeated, so those we put everything in the same way. All right, what is domain? X's. Which way do X's go? Left to right. What is range? Y's. Which way do Y's go? Up and down. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.